That is the simple moving average crossover strategy complete. You built the full algorithm. You set the configuration, added SPY, and created two indicators, a fast SMA and a slow SMA. You stored them on the class so OnData could read them on every bar. The strategy has two rules. When the fast average crosses above the slow average, and you are not invested by. When the fast average crosses below the slow average, and you are holding, liquidate. OnData runs every bar. It checks readiness first. If either indicator does not have enough data, it stops early. Once both indicators are ready, it checks the crossover. Cross above means buy, cross below means sell. You backtested it, you saw the equity curve move, you saw when it bought and when it sold. This strategy introduces something buy and hold does not have. It exits, it reacts, it responds to what the market is doing rather than ignoring it. That is a meaningful step up from the previous strategy. Same structure, same methods, more logic inside them. One more strategy to go, the RSI strategy. One indicator, two boundaries. The logic is different from crossovers, but the structure is the same. You are ready for it.